Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And that's right, I'm in my backyard, and it's been a while I don't do a YouTube unboxing since the earbuds, the truly wireless earbuds on my phone. But that's because I've been too busy working. You know how social media sites and all that are. Anywho, I'm here in my yard, and I've got the PA system to unbox like I promised a while back. The Behringer concert speaker PA system, 1,000 watts. And it says here that it's 1,000 watts, it's two-way, it's a 12 powered loudspeaker with digital mixer, wireless option, remote control via iOS and Android mobile app, and Bluetooth audio streaming. And it's the EUROLIVE B12X. Apparently most of all the DJ speakers were sold out or something, probably because of that pandemic or something, you know, coronavirus. Anywho, then I saw this one, and this one said new on Pro Sound Stage and Lighting, which I will leave the link. I'll leave the link down in the description, down there, after this episode, so you guys can buy it if you're interested. Anyways, let's get with the unboxing. Oh, and before I do that, I want to let you know that this comes with the famous FX, an equalizer by, hold on, I'll let you know right now, guys. Clark Technique. That's Clark with a K and Technique with a T. First thing we get, kind of tucked in there, is the manual. Quick start guide. Oh, and by the way, this comes with a screen. You could actually see it there. It comes with a screen and all that. It's really cool. Here you get the standard cable, kind of like a TV or computer cable. Your usual standard. Well, what's cool about this speaker is that it has a remote control 3-channel digital mixer with gain setting recall, wireless ready for a high quality Behringer digital wireless system, which is not included. It's like a dongle for wireless microphones they sell, which I believe it's either $49.99 or $100. A comprehensive remote control via iOS Android mobile app available free of charge, which is the app to control the equalization and all that, and the firmware update, and high quality Bluetooth stereo audio streaming, DSP presets for application types and speaker positioning, Clark Technique, like I told you earlier, the famous Clark Technique digital signal processing for total system control, revolutionary Class D amplifier technology, enormous power, incredible sonic performance, and super lightweight, which I have to say it is kind of lightweight compared to my friend's DJ speaker, which was old school and heavy. Yeah. Extremely powerful 12 long-excursion driver provides incredibly deep bass and acoustic power. State-of-the-art 1 phenolicdiaphragm compression driver for exceptional high-frequency reproduction. Intuitive signal rotary control user interface with LCD display for easy of navigation. Ultra-wide dispersion, large format expositional horn, versatile trapezoidal enclosure design allows different positioning, standard mounting with 35mm pole socket. Now the pole socket is the thing I was going to get at, is that I didn't know which speaker stand I needed to buy, but they told me that this one is a 35mm. So I got myself the speaker stand, which I'm going to do the unboxing of that next, which is coming this week in 2 days. So stay tuned for that. And tilts on its side for use as a floor monitor. That's a good thing also. Ergonomically shaped, handless for easy carrying and setup. It has a 3-year warranty program and designed and engineered in Germany, which is good quality. Let's put that to the side. As you can see, here's the speaker itself. I'm surprised. Usually Behringer gives you a free sticker. I guess not this time. Maybe they just forgot. Alright, here's your handle. Here's your volume knob and controller. You push down like that to select things. This is the XLR input. This is TRS, TLS, and also phono, and also XLR. And over here you got your power on and off. Here's your connection right down here. Yeah. And all the way in the bottom here, you've got your port, your 35mm port. You got the rubbers, some other rubbers there. Here's the front of the speaker. Yeah, truly wireless power. And well guys, there's really not much else to say, but it was a bit heavy, I have to admit, but not heavy enough where I can't lift it. Well guys, I'm going to enjoy my speaker. I'm going to set it up now, do some firmware updates on it, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to always like, comment, share, and subscribe.